All right, so as we're approaching the end of 2025, I thought it'd be a great time to start making my price predictions or price targets for stocks. And in this video, I'm going to look at Amazon and give you my estimate of where I think this stock price will be by the end of 2027. Now, I'm also going to need Amazon's price to earnings ratio, which as of this recording stands at 32, near the lower end of where the company has traded for according to this metric, going all the way back to January of 2024. Another thing I like about Fiscal AI is they have segment information unavailable anywhere else. So when I want to look at Amazon's AWS revenue, which is the company's most important segment with the highest operating profit margins, I can take a look here over the previous decade. Its AWS revenue has increased from 12 billion to 122 billion, a nearly 10x increase. And so I can understand why Amazon is spending so much money building the data centers optimized for artificial intelligence to serve this segment, which has grown by 10x over the previous decade and generates operating profit margins at 30 to 35%, which is well above the operating profit margins of its other business segments. So now that I have all the estimates I need, we can jump into my scenario analysis for Amazon. As I showed you earlier, the earnings per share estimated for 2027 is $9.47, and the price to earnings multiple is 32 right now. If all else remains the same, the share price is likely to increase to $303 if the company is on track to deliver this earnings per share and the PE multiple remains the same. But I think it's more likely that Amazon's PE multiple increases. If it increases to 35, then the price could increase to 331. If it increases to 40, then the price could increase to $379. But it's not all upside. There is risk with Amazon. Most notably, it could be that the company overspends on these data centers. It could be negatively impacted from tariffs and the business could falter. And in that case, the PE multiple could decrease to 22, which would mean the stock price falls to 208 from the current share price of 226. Now, just because I've only estimated these four scenarios doesn't mean these are the only outcomes I expect. There are very many outcomes that are possible. These four are just the ones that I see most likely. Now, the reason why I said I think Amazon's PE multiple increases is, for one, click the link below to watch the full video.